Naval Station Great Lakes, located near North Chicago, Illinois, is the Navy's sole boot camp. It sprawls across 1,628 acres along the shores of Lake Michigan. The base is the largest military installation in Illinois. It is also the Navy's largest training station. Great Lakes is nicknamed the quarterdeck of the Navy. Those attending Training Support Command call it Second Boot Camp. Jarvis Hunt designed the original 39 buildings, constructed between 1905 and 1911. Building 1, the Clock Tower Building, is a recognizable landmark. The red brick building features a prominent tower above the third floor. It overlooks Ross Field, a large ceremonial parade ground. The base operates like a small city, with its own fire department. Naval security forces provide police services. A public works department maintains the infrastructure. Recruit Training Command, or RTC, is a major tenant command. RTC Great Lakes became the Navy's only basic training facility in 1996. Consolidation closed training centers in San Diego and Orlando. Approximately 40,000 recruits pass through RTC annually. Around 7,000 recruits are on board the installation at any given time. Training Support Center, or TSC, is another key command. TSC Great Lakes is the Navy's premier technical training command. It trains around 16,000 sailors each year. TSC supports 6 learning sites, including Surface Combat Systems Training Command. A schools at Great Lakes include electrician's mate and electronics technician. Graduates from Naval Station Great Lakes go on to serve in vital roles around the world.